Creating a WaitUntilThen function in JavaScript, efficiently waiting for a condition before executing code. Introduction. When programming in JavaScript, you might occasionally want to wait for a condition to become true before executing some code. This is common in UI programming where you want to proceed only once an element's state has changed, such as waiting for an element to become hidden. A naive idea is to write something like. However, this doesn't work because arguments are evaluated immediately. We need a different approach. The problem with immediate evaluation. In JavaScript, when you call a function, all parameters are evaluated before the function runs. So, $#myad.css display == none is checked instantly. This means your WaitUntilThen cannot wait because it only sees the current, not future, state. Wrapping conditions in functions for delayed evaluation. The key insight is to wrap the condition in a function that returns a Boolean. Poll this function periodically until it returns true. Once true, execute the desired action. Polling with callbacks. Note, this works but isn't ideal. Polling can be inefficient and callback-based code can get messy. Modern approach, using promises and async/await. Instead of callbacks, return a promise from WaitUntilThen. Then, use async/await or .then to sequence your code clearly. Promise-based implementation. Benefits. Clear control flow without nested callbacks. More flexible, any code can wait for the condition. Poll interval can be customized. Recommendations. Avoid designs that expect immediate condition evaluation. Wrap conditions in functions to defer evaluation. Use promises to enable better asynchronous flow control. When possible, rely on event-driven patterns, example mutation observer, event listeners, instead of polling, which is more efficient. Summary. To implement a WaitUntilThen function. Wrap your condition in a function to check on demand. Use polling to repeatedly invoke the condition. Trigger your action when the condition becomes true. Prefer the promise-based approach with async/await for modern clarity. This pattern makes your code more robust, readable, and maintainable.